Hi, what is the value of x? Given that you have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 6 equals 4 to the power of 6. Then let's have it to be solution. So from here, we can have this as x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 6 minus 4 to the power of 6. Then let's set everything to be equal 0. So from here, let's express this 6. Here will be x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 3. Let's close it again to the power of 2. Then minus 4 to the power of 3 in parentheses to the power of 2. Then let's set them to be equal 0. Then let's record that when we have a squared minus b squared equals as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b as this. So let's apply it here because this one has power 2, this one has power 2. So here will be x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3. So we close it as this. So let's have this as x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3. We close it equals 0. So for this expression to be equal 0, let's ask case 1. It's either we have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 equals 0, or we have case 2. We have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. Then let's recall that when we have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 equals a plus b multiplied by a square minus ab plus b square. We apply this one here. So we're going to have our a to be x minus 3, our b to be equals 4. We have it as this. Here will be x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2. Then a is again x minus 3. Then b is 4. B square will be 4 square. Then we still have everything to be equals 0. So here will be x minus 3 plus 4 will give us plus 1. Multiplied by this, the expansion of this will give us x squared minus 6x plus 9. When you open the bracket with this, we have it to be minus 4x. Here will be plus 12. 4 squared will give us 16. Then equals 0. So from here we have x plus 1 multiplied by this will give us x squared minus 6x minus 4x will give us minus 10x. Then this plus this, we have 9. This will give us 8. Then here will be 28 equals 0. So we have x plus 1 in parentheses. Here will be x squared minus 10x. This plus this will give us 48. Will give us 37 equals 0. So we have x plus 1 to be equal 0, or we have x squared minus 10x plus 37 to be equal 0. So from here, we have the first solution to be x equals minus 1. Or we have from here, s to be equals minus b, positive or negative, then root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b will give us minus into minus 10, positive or negative, root of minus 10 in parentheses to the power of 2, 4 times a. A is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1, multiplied by c is 37, divided by 2 times 1. So we have x to be equals, this times this will give us 10, positive or negative. This will give us 100 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 4, 37. Will give us 148, then divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 10, positive or negative, root of 100 minus this will give us minus 48, divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 10, positive or negative, root of 16 times 3 times minus 1, divided by 2. So we have x to be equals 10, positive or negative, root of 16 will give us 4, multiplied by root 3. Root of minus 1 will give us I, divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals 10 divided by 2, positive or negative 4 root 3i divided by 2. We have x to be equals 5 positive or negative 2 root 3i to be the complex solution. Then let's say case what? Case 2, where we have x minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 4 to the power of 3 equals 0. Recall that when we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals as a minus b in parentheses multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So from here, we're going to have it to be x minus 3 minus 4 as this. This will be x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2. Then plus a is x minus 3 again, multiplied by 4 plus b will be 4 square equals 0. So here will be x minus 3 minus 4 will give us minus 7, multiplied by this expansion will give us x squared minus 6x plus 9. This will give us 4x minus 12 plus 16 equals 0. Here will be x minus 7. From here, we are going to have x squared. This will give us minus 2x, 9. This will give us 13 equals 0. So from here, x minus 7 equals 0, or we have x squared minus 2x plus 13 to be equal 0. Obviously, from here, x equals 7. And likewise, from here, we can have x to be equals minus b, positive or negative. The root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So here will be x equals, from here, our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 2. Here will be plus 2, positive or negative, root of minus 2 in parentheses to the power of 2. Here will be 4, minus 4 times a is 1 times c, that's 13, divided by 2. So from here we have x to be equals to positive or negative root of 4 minus this will give us 52 divided by 2. We have x to be equals to positive or negative root of minus 48, then divided by 2. So we can have this as 2 positive or negative root of 16 times 3 times minus 1 divided by 2. So we have x to be equals to positive or negative. We have root 16 will give us 4 multiplied by root 3i divided by 2. So we have x to be equals to divided by 2, positive or negative 4 multiplied by root 3i divided by 2. So we have x to be equals, this divided by this will be 1, positive or negative, this divided by this will be 2 multiplied by root 3i. So we have a solution to be x equals 7, and we also have x equals minus 1. And we also have x to be equals 5 plus positive or negative root 2 multiplied by root 3i. These are the complex solutions, this and this. Why the solution are this? So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.